Hey guys, Kid Guru here, mrgurux. And today, or I should say Adrian, either way, whatever you want to call me. Anyway, a little bit personal video. That's why I'm uploading it to the personal account. No, it's dealing with technology as well as my web dwellings. I guess you can say. My web. How should I say this? I guess my web bookmarks, my web marks, whatever you want to call them, bookmarks, web marks. My daily routine usually, and I just actually got done reorganizing these in a. Usually, so if you've ever seen my Firefox setup, I'm always used to putting my bookmarks actually up here on the top bar, but for some reason it wasn't working. Every time I put my bookmarks, it would show the icons, and then eventually it would all collapse them into like one little arrow, and like it would put a drop down list, and I really didn't like that, and I couldn't fix it. So I did, usually without the bookmarks bar, Firefox looks really, obviously really slim, and I can show you like that right there. It's amazingly slim. But even with the bookmarks bar, I've actually gotten used to it being the way it is. I mean, it adds a little bit thickness, but with the with dual 22-inch monitors, it really doesn't matter because I have a lot of space to browse. But anyway, reorganize my sites I visit daily, usually when I get on the web, and kind of follow a pattern here. So I want to show you the sites I visit. I'm not going to go through them all in the tabs. I just have some of them loaded up because most of them you already know what they are. Anyways, I'll give a short description. So first off, I have my main necessities, gmail.com. When I don't feel like opening Thunderbird or when I just have to do something really quick in Gmail, I just go to gmail.com and I, answer there, and I delete my messages through there as well. Google Reader, obviously you can view all your, so here's my reader. It's in black because I'm using a add-on for Firefox. All my RSS feeds, I actually need to update a lot, and I need to actually read a lot. As you can see, I have a lot of unread articles, so I have to get on top of that. But yeah, that's all my RSS feeds I follow. Pretty much all the sites almost I have here are pretty much on my Google Reader, but sometimes I just like to actually visit the physical site because it's, just easier. Right, twitter.com, obviously, Twitter is twitter.com/kidguru if you want to follow me. Social networking, that's basically my main social network. I'm always, tweeting and all that stuff. So yeah, give me a follow, and I'll check you out, and usually I haven't followed back a lot of people lately. As you can see, I'm kind of behind, but if I like your tweets, I'll probably follow you back. Anyway, friend feed's another good one. I really love friend feed just because of the amount of updates you can push through, and I actually use that one a lot. I have a lot of my accounts linked up to friend feed. Stumble Upon, if you haven't heard about Stumble Upon, it just personalizes recommendations of websites that people discover. Awesome way to find out different tools, new software. A lot of my videos ideas actually come from Stumble Upon just because of the amazing amount of content they have. It's so fun just to browse for, hours, or it's crazy. Anyway, Digg.com, a lot of news, videos, obviously. I get my latest updates here. Great for the podcast when I'm about to record. I get a lot of my stories from Digg. Usually a technology column. Myspace.com, enough said there. It's my MySpace. Usually I use that just to contact friends, though, not really use it for other people. I mean, I have an account for, my internet stuff, but I haven't released that one yet. I'm still working on that page. Facebook, again, more family and friends I use it for. Twit.tv, one of my favorite podcast networks to listen to. Amazing amount of podcasts by Leo Laporte and many other people. Steve Gibson, just who else is there? Marty, or not, who is it? Martin Sargent, Martin Sargent is there. Either, there's a lot of people on there in the web. Are there, and just amazing amount of content, a lot of different varieties of shows, security, Windows, latest tech news, just a crazy amount of stuff. Next one is technology news. This is just as well news.com. This is Cnet for all your technology reviews, and all that stuff. I also get a lot of podcast stories here, and just stay up to date with the latest in tech. Buzz Out Loud, BOL, that's their podcast for the daily news of technology per week. So I check that one out a lot. Very cool podcast. Aviary.com. I recently did a video of this on Laker Coolman, youtube.com/Laker Coolman. You can check that out. Awesome application of suites, application suite of like stuff like Photoshop alternatives, effects, all this craziest stuff built into this one site. Check it out, aviary.com. Apple.com, just checking the latest updates, news, stuff like that. Adrianstech.com, obviously my website, and which is right here. Just latest, we post latest tech looks, all that stuff, latest in gadgets, news, etc. We even do a lot of reviews and yeah, stuff like that. Even we just wrote the latest article talking about his new Dropbox WordPress plugin that he created, so you can check that out. Tutgeek is our other site where it's our video hosting site. We're doing some other new stuff with this. We're just solely aiming at tech content. So if you want a YouTube for tech geeks and stuff like that, check out tutgeek.com. You'll enjoy it, and we're doing a lot of updates to this site. Alright, wiurl.com, it's our URL shortener, and I'm actually logged into my account. And I think I'm logged into my account. Yeah, we recently just added the account feature, so you can see there I've only created 12 URLs with me, actually in my account. So yeah, you can see my images, my files, a whole bunch of cool stuff. Mad props to Wii for setting all of this up. Dunk's Web, good friend of mine, Duncan, our mobile phone 2003, as most of you know him. His blog, amazing stuff about his, just a lot of computing, a lot of general internet stuff that he does, whether it's with his videos, latest updates, reviews of Opera Mini he reviewed, really great tips, mainly dealing with Windows 7, Vista XP, really cool guy, guys, check him out. Cool guy, guys, check him out at dunksweb.com. Lifehacker.com, another one of my favorite blogs up there. One of the Gawker Media blogs, really awesome for tips, great downloads, getting things done, awesome workspaces you can check out. They have a lot of cool pics, so you check this out at lifehacker.com. What else do I got there? I got Makeuseof.com, another one of my favorite blogs along there with Lifehacker. Has a lot of cool tips as well. Next one here is woot.com. Sorry I'm not going to all the sites. Like I said, guys, you've probably seen most of these, but I guess I'll click some of them. Woot.com, the one-day deal type thing where they offer today's deals this nice laptop for $679. It's a Blu-ray one, dual core. Check it out. Very awesome site. Newegg.com, if you haven't seen Newegg, Newegg is just a lot of PC components, laptops, computers, awesome prices, awesome sales. See, they always have that shell shocker. So this is the Codec ZX1 for $99. So again, really cool deals. Amazon.com, you've seen that already. I'm sure. Again, sales. I don't have eBay up here. eBay I also regularly check when I want to buy something. And lastly, this is one just for where I live. It's just like Craigslist for where I live, pretty much in Japan. It's kind of like where you can look at. It's a local listings type site where you can look at the class fields and see who's selling stuff. Anyways, guys, those are my daily sites. Sorry it took a little while there to go through them. Love to see yours if you're interested. If you have your bookmarks set up, go ahead, go through them and let me know what you see. What you check daily. Love to check it out. I really need to post all the links in the video description because you already saw the sites, but I might put some links up there. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Comment, rate, subscribe.